Hi everyone, today I'm here to show you how to use USB 3.2 high-speed serial decode software and ProtoSync available on Teledyne LeCroy high-performance oscilloscopes to debug USB 3.2 PHY-Logic and Link Training issues that may be PHY related. USB 3.2 high-speed serial decode software and ProtoSync on the oscilloscope provides a seamless transition up the protocol stack when debugging elusive link training issues. The PHY-Logic and Link Training subblocks are defined in chapters 6 and 7 of the USB 3.2 specification. In this case, we're capturing the link control management packets on TX1, channel 1, and TX2, channel 2 during 20 gigabits per second link up using DH series differential probes to capture the live link signals. The raw waveforms do not tell us much. USB 3.2 high-speed decode is accessed through the Analysis Serial Decode menu. Selections include USB 3.2 Gen 1 by 1 at 5 gigabits per second, Gen 2 by 1, and Gen 2 by 2 at 10 gigabits per second. Select USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2. This selection provides decoding on waveform data captured on both TX1 lane 0 and TX2 lane 1. The skip-ordered set, including the LFSR, link idle, and link management packet, are successfully decoded in tabular and graphical overlay formats. Other packets can be decoded by simply clicking on the packet in the decode table. The Decode Setup menu allows you to include LFPS packets by selecting the Include LFPS checkbox. ProtoSync can be run by selecting it under the ProtoSync tab. Selecting ProtoSync automatically launches the Teledyne LeCroy USB protocol analysis software. To zoom the oscilloscope to the packet of interest in ProtoSync, simply click on the packet and the oscilloscope zoom window reveals the underlying PHY signal. Moving up the protocol stack, Teledyne LeCroy is also a market leader in USB 3.2 protocol exerciser analyzer solutions, which can also be cross-triggered with Teledyne LeCroy oscilloscopes for PHY-Logic layer debug, where protocol analysis is done using the same software used in ProtoSync. For more information and videos on USB and USB Type-C PHY and PHY-Logic debug solutions, visit us at teledynelecroy.com/USB-C.